Okay, the good news, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not kidding around here. Let's see if I get this working. So, I put mystery oil in there. For the guy AutoZone in here. Along with, I kind of put some WD-40, spray the lifters with it. And it's been sitting there for about a week. But anyway, so we're going to give it a shot, see if it's unstuck. Because we're kind of hoping it is. I'll set you down there. And okay, I'm just going to turn it with the fan on the front. See if it unsticks. Wait, it just moved. It's moving. All right, here it goes. I'll try to just gently get it in there so I can get some oil down on the bottom there. That's great. That is just so awesome. That's the good news for today. The turns over. I know there's a lot of cussing in this video. I apologize, but I think that's kind of part of the course when you're working on MGs is that you cuss. You're allowed to spit outside, but not on the garage floor. And I think cussing is permitted. I think it's probably in page 2 of the manual of how to restore MGs, unless you really don't believe that, then that's cool too. I respect that. If you respect me, then I can cuss, and I'll try to bleep them out if you don't like it. Anyway, thanks, man. It turns over. Now, whether it fires, that'll be another story. We'll work on that, but there's more stuff to get to before that. So anyway.